Safely using glass bakeware in a convection oven.
Hello there. Today we're going to address a common question many home cooks have. Can a glass baking dish be used in a convection oven? The short answer is yes, but there are some precautions you should take. Let's dive into the details.
Understanding convection ovens.
Before we talk about using a glass dish, let's understand what a convection oven is. A convection oven uses fans to distribute heat evenly around the food, making it cook faster and more evenly. It's a great appliance for bakers and cooks alike, but the unique way it cooks food means that we have to take certain things into consideration, especially when using glass bakeware.
Using glass bakeware in a convection oven.
Glass is a good heat conductor, which makes it an ideal choice for many baking scenarios. However, it's important to know that not all glass bakeware is created equal. The key factor is whether the glass is oven safe. Some glassware, particularly the decorative or cheaper varieties, may not withstand the high temperatures of an oven, and could even shatter. Make sure you're using glass bakeware that is specifically labeled as oven safe or heat resistant. Another thing to consider is the temperature adjustment. Glass retains heat better than metal, so when baking with glass, you may need to reduce the oven's temperature by about 25 degrees Fahrenheit. This prevents over-browning or burning, especially when using a convection oven which already cooks faster than a traditional oven.
Safety precautions.
It's also important to take certain safety precautions when using glass in a convection oven. Avoid subjecting your glass bakeware to sudden temperature changes. Don't move your dish directly from the fridge to the oven or vice versa, as the abrupt temperature shift could cause the glass to shatter. Always inspect your glassware for any chips or cracks before using it. Even minor damage can weaken the dish and make it more prone to breakage when exposed to high heat. Lastly, don't use glass bakeware under the broiler or on the stovetop. These settings expose the dish to more intense heat than it's designed to handle. So to conclude, yes, you can use a glass baking dish in a convection oven as long as it is oven safe and you take the necessary precautions. Happy baking, and remember, safety first.